everyone, welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the favicon with JavaScript. Last week, I showed you how to set the favicon with HTML using a special link tag. Today, I'm going to show you how to change it on the click of a button or whatever you want. So, I'll click this button, and the favicon changes from that picture of a clock from last week to the Stack Overflow logo. So, I'm going to show you how to do that, and if you don't know how to set favicon with HTML, you're going to need to know how to do that, so watch the video from last week if you don't know. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML to a file that already has a favicon, or what I'm using is just the code from last week, which you can see right here. It's just an HTML file with a link tag for a favicon that we're going to make some changes to in order to change the favicon using JavaScript. So, the first thing you're going to want to change is you're going to want to give this link tag an ID. ID equals, and I'm just going to call it favicon. Now, on the next line, you're going to want to create a button tag, which will trigger the function. So button, and it doesn't need to have an ID, so onClick equals, and whatever you want to call your function. I'm going to call it change icon, open parentheses, close quotes, and inside the button tag, I'm just going to put click to change the favicon, close that button tag, and now open a script tag. Script, and inside that you're going to want to create a function. So function, and I'm going to call it change icon, open parentheses, close parentheses, open curly braces. Now create a variable, var icon equals document dot get element with a capital E, first E, element by with a capital B, ID with a capital I, open parentheses, and open quotes, favicon, close quotes, close parentheses, semicolon. That's going to be what we're going to use to change things for that favicon. And now put icon dot rel equals, open quotes, shortcut icon, because really what we're doing is we're taking this up here and we're replacing it. So you have to redo the rel and the href. Icon dot href equals, open quotes, and paste in the link to an image that is not the same image that you have in here. Make it a different image. So I'm going to paste in the link to the Internet Explorer logo, because why not? And finally, if you want to be able to change it again, do icon.id equals favicon so you can run the function a different time. I'm not going to do this because the function is only going to need to run one time. Document dot get element with a capital E, the first E, element, I cannot spell today, by with a capital B, tag with a capital T, name with a capital N, open parentheses, open quotes, head, close quotes, close parentheses, and then open square brackets, 0, so the very first time that appears. Now, we don't have a head tag, but the browser automatically generates it when it reads an HTML file like this, so it will find a head tag even though it's not actually in the source code. close square brackets, dot append child with a capital C, open parentheses, icon, close parentheses, semicolon. And what this does is basically we have created our new version of this tag, and then it's adding that tag up here where this one was. And we can close those curly braces, semicolon, and close the script tag, /script. Save that file, pop open your browser, open a new tab, find the file on your computer, there it is, favicon.html, and drag it into your new tab. Here it is, some content, click to change the favicon. I'll click it, and the favicon just changed from, if you look closely, an image of a clock to the Internet Explorer logo. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buy my merch, and remember to save your work.